Mastering public speaking. Organizing content logically with effective notes and prompts. Hello and welcome to our session on mastering public speaking skills. Today, we're focusing on a key aspect of your delivery techniques and strategies, organizing content logically. Particularly, we'll be discussing how to create effective notes and prompts that can help guide your presentation smoothly and keep your audience engaged. The logic in your speech is like the backbone that holds everything together. It ensures a smooth flow of ideas, helping your audience follow along easily. In order to achieve this, your notes and prompts should be clearly and logically structured. Remember, effective notes are not simply about writing everything you want to say. It's more about summarizing your thoughts and key points in a way that acts as a roadmap for your presentation. How do you organize your content logically? It's simple. Always keep this golden sequence in mind: introduction, body, conclusion. 1. Introduction. This is where you set the stage. In your notes, briefly outline what you'll talk about. This could include a hook to engage the audience, some background information, and your thesis statement or main argument. 2. Body. Here you present your main points. For each point, include supporting details, facts, or examples. Aim to present these in an order that makes sense to your audience. This could be chronological, by order of importance, or any other logical sequence. 3. Conclusion. Summarize the main points you've discussed and emphasize your takeaway message. Your conclusion should leave your audience with a clear understanding of what they've learned. Now that we understand how logical content is structured, let's talk about creating effective notes and prompts. 1. Use short phrases or keywords. These act as triggers for your ideas, helping you remember your points without reading verbatim. 2. Use symbols, abbreviations, or diagrams. These can make your notes more efficient and easier to follow during your presentation. 3. Clearly separate each section. This helps you keep track of where you are in your presentation. For example, you can use bullet points, numbered lists, or different colors for each section. 4. Include transition phrases. These help maintain the flow between different points, making your presentation smoother. 5. Rehearse with your notes. Practicing your speech with your notes is crucial. This ensures that you are familiar with them and can navigate through them easily during the actual presentation. Organizing content logically in your notes and prompts is an essential part of effective public speaking. Remember to structure your content into an introduction, body, and conclusion, and use notes and prompts that help guide your presentation. With these tips in mind, you're on your way to delivering clear and engaging presentations. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this session has been helpful. Happy presenting!